How to do squat kicks. 1. Starting position. Stand with feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider for more stability. Toes pointed forward or slightly out. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and core engaged. 2. Squat phase. Push hips back and bend knees as if sitting into a chair. Keep knees tracking over toes. Don't let them cave inward. Go down until thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. Keep weight in your heels, not your toes. 3. Kick phase. Drive up through your heels to stand. As you rise, lift one knee and extend your leg forward in a controlled front kick. Kick from the hip, not just snapping the knee. Flex your foot so toes point upward. Return the leg to the floor. 4. Repeat. Perform another squat. Kick with the opposite leg. Continue alternating legs for your desired reps or time. Core tight. Keeps balance and protects your lower back. Controlled kicks. Don't fling your leg. Engage your muscles. Soft knees, don't lock out the standing leg. Look forward. Keeps spine neutral. Land lightly. Avoid jarring the joints. Beginner modification. Perform a shallower squat and low kicks until you build strength and flexibility. Advanced variation. Add light dumbbells or hold a medicine ball during squats. Make kicks higher and faster for more cardio intensity. Squat kicks combine the benefits of a lower body, strength move, the squat, with an explosive, dynamic action, the kick. Benefits of squat kicks. 1. Strength plus. Cardio in one move. Builds muscle strength, while elevating heart rate, which helps improve cardiovascular fitness. 2. Lower body toning. Targets. Major leg and glute muscles for shaping and firming. Furphy core activation. The kick portion requires stability and balance, engaging the abs and obliques. 4. Improved balance and coordination. Shifting. From a squat to a kick trains your body to control movement transitions. PM calorie burn and fat loss support. The dynamic kick boosts intensity, increasing calorie expenditure. 6. Functional strength builds. Strength for real-life activities that require bending, lifting, and pushing with the legs. 7. Hip mobility. The kicking phase opens up hip flexors and improves range of motion. 8. Leg power. Kicking helps develop explosive power in the quads and glutes. Muscles worked in squat kicks. Primary muscles, squat phase. Quadriceps, front thighs. Gluteus maximus, butt. Hamstrings, back thighs. Adductors, inner thighs. Calves, gastrocnemius and soleus. Primary muscles, kick phase. Hip flexors, iliopsoas. Quadriceps, especially rectus femoris. Gluteus medius for balance. Core muscles, rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis. Lower back muscles, erector spinae for stability. Stabilizing muscles, abductors, outer thighs, ankle stabilizers. Deep core stabilizers, multifidus, transverse abdominis. Please check my next video.